Hello everybody, and welcome to the next daily recap with the Dadas Trading System. And I'm speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room, where you can meet me and trade together with me. I stream live every day, so you can see my screen, you can join the voice channel, you can interact with me, talk with me, ask questions. I don't usually talk on my own. I only talk when somebody is asking me questions or is willing to have a conversation. Otherwise, you can see my screen, you can see what's happening, and maybe perhaps you can even learn in this way, right? Anyways, I trade the DAX 30 index every day. I'm looking for a few trades, and we can see that today the DAX 30 went practically sideways and a little bit down. Anyways, the initial price action right here, starting on the Asian session and then continuing through the London session and American session, was basically going between the Dada's weekly pivot and the Dada's daily pivot. So the price just respected the daily pivot as support and the weekly pivot as resistance. And of course, the trading wasn't very comfortable today because in the morning, the range, the daily range was around 70 plus pips, which is a very relatively low range for the DAX index, and it usually doesn't end that way. Then we can see that it actually ended at 115, 116 about pips, which is also low, but more common than a range below 100 pips, the daily range. So I had a small problem right here, if to trade along or not, because I mean there wasn't any other price action at this moment, so I decided to go long. And because of the general way the price was behaving. However, well, it didn't behave too well, so I mean there wasn't any dynamic, no special momentum, so I decided to get out. I got 6.6 pips right here. Then I missed the whole resistance move. I mean, there was a pretty good price action right here to jump in somewhere right there, well, in this area for a short. But you know, why did I get in this short? Well, I did consider the possibility that this could work as support again, but like I said, the daily range was very low, and I decided that there's a high probability then that they're going to be making the range in the bearish direction today. Well, yeah, I mean, ultimately they did so, but in the beginning they decided the price again behaved in a suspicious way. I got out of it at 5.6 pips. And then, yeah, I saw that the price was actually turning around. So I decided that now it's time for a long, right? A long for a retest. And you see what happened. Because, again, they kind of, the market practically, I mean, kind of stopped. Didn't want to go. I didn't wanna wait for a long time and risk a stop loss, so I got out of it. And the price, you know, pulled back, and then bounced off again and started going up again. So I decided to get in the long again. I did, and again the price initially went up, right? I mean, it went down, then it went up, and it started going down again. I mean, it stopped again. There was no power, no dynamic, nothing. So I got out of it again. And then, of course, you see what happened. The price went up. And it went up pretty quickly, and those were my take profits over there. Anyways, so after this, after these four small trades that together they kind of total to around 18 pips. Well, I thought to myself, I've had enough for today. And that's it. I mean, yeah, there was, of course, there was a possibility to go short right here, and basically maybe I don't know. And then the rest of the day, I said, forget it. This isn't worth the risk. And that's it. That's basically it. That's the way we do it, right? So, if you're interested, please like, please subscribe, please join my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the description. So like I said, you can see me trading every day, and of course every work day. Yeah, and you can I post my videos on YouTube. I post them on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. And I post them on my Forex Factory threads and also on Patreon. Now you can support me through Patreon, or you can support me directly through my PayPal, and you can become a VIP member on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. Now with the monthly payments, they accumulate, and you can then ask me for whatever service I can offer you, like indicators, like expert advisors, like my workshops, live workshops, one-on-one, right? Of course, and you can also accumulate in this way enough in order to get my whole system. Of course, you can also get the whole system with one payment. So, all the links are below in the descriptions. Please join. Please wear your masks, wash your hands, watch yourself and your and all your close ones, right? And see you next time.